Okay, so what we're going to do is cut a dado in this piece to fit this piece into. And all we're going to use to do that, other than the saw, is this little blade gauge, trademark. And here's how it works. Okay, we've got the blade set at about half the thickness of this piece. And the first cut we're going to make is right using an offset of the insert piece, like that. Watch this now. Okay, now if we offset that all the way to the fence, it's going to make another cut that's going to be too wide to fit this into. What we have to do is compensate for the width of the blade. I made this out of just another piece of wood. Took some fussing to get exactly the width of the blade, but I got it. Now it's done. I'll keep it forever as long as I use this blade. So we make that offset from the fence, just the width of the blade, and make another cut. Now you can see that from outside to outside, that's the width of the insert piece. So now we're going to nibble away what's in between. And that fits our insert piece exactly. Isn't that cool? Didn't have to buy another tool. All you needed is one piece of wood that's the exact thickness of your blade. Ta-da!